In this video I'll be showing a car you have to buy. It's the best alternative for the RIMAC NEVERA R. And the price difference is crazy. It's around 43 times cheaper than the RIMAC, but it's only a couple of seconds slower. The car I am talking about is the TSR Oath. Anyways, the car I am talking about is the Back Mono, in-game known as the TSR Oath for 150k. It also barely takes like 50,000 to max it out. This is the best car for beginners if you want to make quick and easy money. Its acceleration is quite bad, so you definitely have to upgrade it to a supercharger. It's not bad when stock, but you definitely need to upgrade it. Anyways, this video is semi-connected to my previous video. If you can't afford the RIMAC NEVERA R, then go for the TSR Oath and do the method I showcased in my last video. Anyways, let's head to Grand Prix and see what time we can do. If you're gonna use this car, then put these upgrades on it. Supercharger, semi-slick tires, 1 OLB nitro bottle, track brakes, and do the setup for suspension. Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Acceleration is quite slow. I already mentioned it. To 41 is really good. In this, you don't crash a lot since it's heavy and easy to turn. The RIMAC is light and easily flips over. I 100% recommend this. Anyways, make sure to join my Discord server linked below for Midnight Chaser giveaways and eventually Robux giveaways in the future as well. See you all in the next one. Peace out.